little stars. Good habits are nice things we do every day to stay happy and strong. They help us stay clean, be kind, stay healthy, and have fun. When we use good habits, we grow into happy and smart kids. Now, let's learn 50 super good habits together. Brush your teeth every morning. It keeps your teeth clean and strong. Your smile looks bright and happy. Brush your teeth before bed. This removes germs from your mouth. Your teeth stay healthy while you sleep. Wash hands before eating. Dirty hands have germs on them. Clean hands keep you safe from sickness. Wash hands after using the toilet. Germs can stick to your hands. Washing keeps you clean and healthy. Take a bath regularly. Bathing removes dirt from your body. You feel fresh and happy. Keep your nails clean. Long nails can hold dirt. Clean nails keep germs away. Cover your mouth when you cough. This stops germs from spreading. It protects your friends. Use a tissue when you sneeze. Tissues catch the germs. Throw it away after use. Wear clean clothes. Clean clothes feel nice on your skin. They help you look neat. Comb your hair. Combing makes your hair tidy. You look smart and clean. Eat fruits and vegetables. They make your body strong. They help you grow healthy. Drink lots of water. Water keeps you fresh. It helps your body work well. Eat on time. Your body needs food regularly. It gives you energy to play. Chew food properly. Chewing helps you digest food. It keeps your tummy happy. Don't waste food. Food is precious. Always finish what you take. Try new healthy foods. New foods help you grow. They make you strong and smart. Eat with clean hands. Clean hands keep germs away. You stay healthy. Say thank you for your... It shows good manners. It makes others feel happy. Don't play while eating. Focus on your food. It helps you eat safely. Share snacks with friends. Sharing is caring. Friends love kind kids. Sleep early. Your body needs rest. Sleep helps you grow. Wake up on time. Morning time is special. You feel fresh and ready. Make your bed. A tidy bed looks nice. It keeps your room clean. Follow a daily routine. Routines help you stay organized. You know what to do. Take short naps. Take short naps. Naps give you energy. You feel active again. Put toys away after playing. A clean room is safe. You can find toys easily. Pack your school bag. You won't forget your things. School becomes easy. Get ready by yourself. It makes you confident. You learn to be responsible. Keep your room tidy. A clean room feels nice. It helps you relax. Finish homework on time. Homework helps you learn. You feel proud after finishing. Kind and good manners say please and thank you. These are magic words. They make people smile. Say sorry when you make a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. Saying sorry shows kindness. Share your toys. Sharing makes friends happy. You get more fun together. Help your parents. Helping shows love. It makes your home happy. Be kind to animals. Animals have feelings too. Treat them gently. Respect elders. Elders guide you. They care for you. Speak politely. Kind words feel good. People enjoy talking to you. Listen when others talk. Listening shows respect. You learn new things. Help your friends. Friends help each other. It builds strong friendship. Smile often. Smiles spread happiness. Everyone feels good. Learning and fun habits read books. Books teach new things. They make you smart. Draw and color. Art is fun. It grows creativity. Sing songs. Singing makes you happy. It's fun for everyone. Play outside. Fresh air is good. Your body stays strong. Exercise daily. Exercise keeps you fit. You feel energetic. Ask questions. Questions help you learn. Smart kids ask. Try new games. New games are exciting. You learn new skills. Learn something new every day. Learning is fun. Your brain grows. Be curious. Curious kids learn more. Exploring is fun. Believe in yourself. You are special. You can do great things.